Hello, this is Will, or I am the co-designer and creator of the MazeQuest series, and I'm going to be going through a little tutorial on movement and general UI for the MazeQuest 3 prototype. So here we go. You start out in town, and you can see my character's right there. He's in an Onaki class. And one of the first things I want to go over is movement outside of battle. So as you can see right here, you don't see any joystick. Well, where is it? Well, it's there. It's if you just put your finger in that general area, it'll come up. This is kind of confusing a lot of people, and understandably so. This is a very early prototype, and you work in a vacuum for a long time in development, and you kind of can't see it with fresh eyes anymore. So, but anyway, why does the joystick hide? This is mainly because I like a clean interface. It's the same reason why, if you want to get to your character info bar, you swipe up on your character and then swipe down to hide it. I just like the clean interface. I think it takes good screenshots, which is always good for promoting the game. We will be putting in an option to keep the controller always visible for anyone that doesn't like that. If you notice, third down from the top is controller. You can see it at 50 right here. Well, that's basically, you can move the controller back and forth on the screen as much as you want, left and right. So if you look now you see it's on the left side in case anybody's left-handed or is playing on a bigger device, a bigger screen size, and their thumb can't reach to the middle. That's why we did that. But you do want to remember where you put it, because then if you want to bring it up again, you're going to have to touch in that general area. And like I said, this is being fixed in a future version. We're going to put an option to always keep it on in case people don't like that. I personally like it, but that's me. So I'm going to put it back in the center if I can, almost the center. This is a little bit touchy. There it is, 50. Okay, other options in here. Character debug is on. This is basically for anybody playing the prototype. We have this option, character debug, which that's going to give you the option when you start a new game, which I'm going to do right now. This test button down here, you can basically hit that with any of the characters. Instead of start, you hit the test button, and that's going to create you a character that's basically in God mode. Look at his health. His health he's got every single skill. He's got nothing equipped, but in his backpack there's just about everything in the game, which I'll go over in another tutorial on how to equip and unequip items, because that's outside the scope of this tutorial today. So this is general movement, and this is your I accidentally cast something on myself. And this is basically the character info screen, character stat screen. This is where you're going to see all your skills, and you'll be able to click into these and get more information on them. Like I said, equipment. And that's about it for movement. This should hopefully explain some of the problems some people are having moving, because once you get the hang of it, it shouldn't be that hard. Anyway, I'm going to do a series of tutorials, and this is just one. Okay, thank you.